Ever feel like you're in a fog? Here in Myrtle Beach, it's foggy out there today. But I think it's a perfect segue into what we're doing this month. On the 21st, we're having a free workshop.
Yeah.
For health, wealth, and relationships. So it's a way that you can really clear the fog to be your best self in all three of those areas. So if you're feeling foggy in health, wealth, or relationships, I encourage you to come to the workshop on the 21st. You can book on the website. Is there anything more?
Well, I think it can be anything that you want to experience your best in. So I was holding up this ticket because there's some of these floating around Myrtle Beach right now. We had them on Fridays at 12:30, but it wasn't working out for everybody. So we've created a special Saturday workshop starting at 10 before lunch to just come when you're ready. If you want like greater health, or you want greater wealth, you want greater relationships, and you want to experience a dynamic breakthrough, this is actually your time to come out. Maybe you've come to one before and you want to have a fresh experience. We've tweaked what we do inside of these workshops so you get the absolute most breakthrough inside of 60 to 90 minutes so that you leave transformed. So come check us out. Make sure you register on the website, Healing Hub SC, for this Saturday's free workshop on the 21st from 10 to 12.
Clear the fog, find your best version of health, wealth, and relationships here at the Healing Hub. See you next time.